Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Trello project. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com, hit the enter button, and you should be logged in into an account. If you're not, go and log in or create an account if you don't have an account. So to create a project, you'll need to create a workspace. If you don't have one already, you can go to your account at the top right corner, click on create a workspace, and make sure to give it a name. As an example, I'm just going to name it project workspace. You can choose the type of it depending on your project. Let's say, as an example, it's an educational project, and you can even add a description to it. Click on continue, and this will create a workspace. You can invite members to this workspace. Maybe, as an example, you are, I don't know, a teacher. You want to create this project workspace with your students or something like that. You can invite them using a link or using their name, as an example, or even email if they have a Trello account, of course. So let's say someone has this email, you'll find them right here as well. And of course, if they don't have a Trello account, you can simply just click on invite the link with link, and people, when they get the link, oh, sorry, it didn't copied. So when people click on the link, they will be taken here as an example, and they will ask to log in into an account if you have an account. If they don't, they will be asked to create an account so they can join the workspace. Now, as an example, let's go, and I'm just going to access this workspace and create a first board example as for my projects. Let's say example, I'll name it projects as well, or project one. And in this workspace, of course, you can even start with a template if you want to. So, for example, I'm just going to look for templates for projects. As example, find templates for projects. As example, so you can find here multiple like project templates. You can look for the one that you want. For example, project-based learning or something like that. I'm just going to use the templates on this project's workspace. Keep everything. Click on create, and as you can see, project-based learning. So this is an example, a board for specific projects. You can of course change those stuff or customize those stuff depending on the project that you want, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.